We're in Sam's and having some fun.
I meant to do that.
Do
Let's
something funny.
Let's lay on the bed.
Look, there's a mirror. Come on.
I'm getting dressed. Don't bother my hair. It's probably not video.
That was weird.
Let's get all party that part.
What are we doing? Put on a hoodie.
My hoodie's better than yours.
My hoodie's better than yours. Shut up.
Oh! Let's go sit in chairs.
You know what's weird? Did you say you got this camera from here? And we're in Sam's. Hey, look. Let me get my old butt over there. Oh, yeah. That old lady that works.
Oh, this one's healthy. Oh, look, it's Dad, it's Dad, it's Dad.
We're leaving.
No, we want to look at something.
You're still skipping. This is hard.
Huh? Were you videotaping me walking?
Yeah.
Dad, hold on.
That said Hearts of War. At first I thought it said Farts
Dad,
of War.
hold on.
At first I thought it said Farts of War. Twilight. He's ugly. He's so cute.
Let's be this dude.
Barney.
Tiffany, have to be this dude.
Star Wars.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Let's be that dude.
The Biggest Loser.
Tiffany, we have to do it.
Chocolate.
Tiffany!
Huh?
Don't make me spit on you.
At first I thought that said dildo. It said Gilda.
Go!
I was like, who the hotta woulda?
I can't get that. It's bad.
Slumdog Millionaire. Can't get what? What's bad?
Come on. Go, Tiffany, go. My dad has no butt. Bathtub! Fall in, how dare you?
Now you're touching my butt.
Come on. Hey, look at the babies.
Baby.
Okay, so we're